this is Morgan with Sandbed Performance here again. I just got this AEM air fuel ratio wideband sensor. It's got the gauge and the O2 sensor in it and everything like that. So figured I'd give a quick review. I got this from turbokits.com through car sponsors actually. I got a little bit of a discount, so it wasn't too bad. I think it was like $192 after shipping. But packaging is nice. You get the gauge right up front. Really nice looking. It's going to look good in the Z when I get done with it. So then we'll pull that out from there. There's the gauge. And then this is all of what's included. You got the hardware. Let's see. Some computer wiring. I think that's for your wideband itself, wideband harness, because it's universal. And then you got your actual O2 sensor. So I believe my Mega Squirt is going to piggyback onto the back of this on one of the wires, I believe, and that is what is going to read my AFRs. And the gauge will look nice in the car for sure. So this is the part number. If anybody's interested in checking it out. But yeah, it's a pretty nice product though. I'm excited to get it hooked up and see what it can do. Thanks again.